Ever wonder if you're truly eating as healthy as you think you are? It's a question that haunts many of us, especially with the myriad of dietary advice out there. One common misconception is that healthy eating is all about strict diets, counting calories, or depriving yourself of your favorite foods. But that's not the whole picture. Healthy eating is as much about what you eat as it is about how much you eat. It's about understanding the nutritional value of foods, not just their calorie content. It's about balance, variety, and moderation. It's about nourishing your body with the right nutrients to function optimally. It's easy to get caught up in the latest diet trends or succumb to the lure of fast food. But remember, the key to a healthy diet isn't a one-size-fits-all approach. It's about understanding your own nutritional needs and tailoring your diet accordingly. So, it's time to take a closer look at your plate. Understanding balanced nutrition is like unlocking the secret to a healthier you. It's more than just eating an apple a day, but rather about including a variety of nutrients in your meals. Let's dive in, starting with proteins. They're the building blocks of our bodies, vital for growth and repair. They can be found in lean meats, dairy, and plant-based sources like beans and lentils. Next, we have carbohydrates, our body's preferred source of energy. Whole grains, fruits, and vegetables are excellent sources of these. Fats often get a bad rap, but they're essential too. They provide energy, protect our organs, and help in the absorption of certain vitamins. The key is to choose healthy fats from sources like avocados, nuts, and olive oil, rather than trans and saturated fats. Speaking of vitamins and minerals, they're the unsung heroes of our diet. They support various bodily functions, from bone health to immune function. Consuming a colorful range of fruits and vegetables can ensure you're getting a broad spectrum of these vital nutrients. But remember, it's not just about what you eat, but also how much. Each of these food groups plays a unique and essential role in our health, and none should be overlooked. However, the secret lies in the right proportion. Overdoing or neglecting any one group can lead to imbalances and health issues. Remember, balance is the key to a healthier diet. Even the healthiest food can cause problems if you're eating too much of it. Yes, you heard it right. It's not just about what you eat, but also about how much you eat. That's where portion control comes into play. It's all about understanding the right amount of food that your body needs, not more, not less. Think of it as a balancing act. Overeating, even if it's healthy food, can lead to weight gain, while eating too little can leave you feeling drained and deprived. Portion control helps you strike that perfect balance, keeping your weight in check and your energy levels high. It's not just about weight though. Portion control is also a key player in managing blood sugar levels, reducing the risk of heart disease, and overall making sure your body gets the nutrients it needs without the excess it doesn't. So, remember, when it comes to eating right, sometimes less is indeed more. With portion control, you'll find that less really can be more. Ever thought about adding more colors to your plate? It's time we talk about it. Fruits, vegetables, and whole grains are nature's way of painting our plates with the vibrant colors of health. They're not just pleasing to the eye, but are packed with a wide array of nutrients essential for our bodies. Firstly, fruits. They're not just sweet treats, they're nature's candy. An orange at breakfast, an apple for a snack, or some grapes in your salad can add that much-needed zing and sweetness to your day. Next, vegetables. They're a powerhouse of vitamins, minerals, and dietary fiber. From leafy greens to crunchy bell peppers, there's a vegetable for every palate. Try roasting some Brussels sprouts for dinner or adding some spinach to your morning smoothie. And let's not forget whole grains. They're your body's fuel, providing you with slow-release energy to keep you going throughout the day. Switching your white rice to brown or your regular pasta to whole grain can be a game changer. Incorporating these foods into your diet is not just about healthy living, but also about enjoying a variety of flavors and textures. It's about finding joy in the simple act of eating and nourishing your body. So, let's paint our plates with the vibrant colors of health. Let's take a moment to recap what we've learned today. Balanced nutrition is essential for maintaining good health and vitality. It's not just about eating less, but eating better. Portion control is key, helping us avoid overindulgence while ensuring we get the right amount of nutrients. And let's not forget the importance of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. These natural powerhouses provide the fiber, vitamins, and minerals our bodies need. Remember, your journey to better health begins with every bite.